You're looking for a frame light, 7-watt LED. This is a gold one, hardwired to the wall, to the switch, to light up your picture frames and more. Let's show you what this product is about. This is from a product, 7 Dimmable. It is a picture frame, 7-watt, hardwired. Check online for further details about the colors and models they offer. It comes nicely packaged and protected with a piece of styrofoam, hardware, wing nuts, and bolts. Take it out of the packaging. Assembly is required. You're going to remove the 2 screws with an optional Phillips. Lifting up, please be careful about the unit. Slide the leads through and place on the screws. Match up the hole and the bolt and secure down. Hardwired to a wall switch or permanent wiring, you have your light. Your light can be adjusted by pulling up or down by the little handle on the top. Check online for further details about the models they offer. It lights up the sailor, the picture, whatever you have on the wall. Additional lighting to light up the area, and lights off to show you the accent of the soft Kelvin. It is a 7-watt LED bulb that can be adjusted and angled down, all low or all high, and light up the area to accent your lighting. I hope you enjoy your light fixture, and thank you for viewing.